followers and my good-minded people. My name is Goodluck Onyeneke, and I promise to teach you mathematics in a simplified form. I made a video a short while ago using completing the square method to solve quadratic equation. Out of the 3 questions I set, I want to solve the second equation, because some persons they are also telling me to solve second equation so that they can do the third one. And here we are. Come closer. The equation is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. This is a quadratic equation. I want to solve it using completing the square method. Like I said, what are you going to do here first is to shift this minus 5. This is equal to 0. Is to shift this minus 5 to the right hand side. So when minus 5 is crossing over, it becomes plus. So we now have 2x squared minus 3x equal to 5. What else do? You divide each of the term by the coefficient of x squared. What is the coefficient of x squared? Is 2. So if we divide 2 with this, you will have x squared. If you divide 2 with this, you will have minus 3 over 2x. And if you divide 2 with this, you will have this. They are not, you cannot divide them perfectly, so you leave them in fraction. Now, what else are you going to do? Is to get the half of the coefficient of x, which is this. Once you get the half, you square it. That is exactly what you are going to add to the two sides of the equation. How will you get the half? Now, is to multiply by 1 over 2. That is minus 3 over 2 times 1 over 2 will give you 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4. So 3 over 4 is the half of 3 over 2. Then you square it. This is exactly what you are going to add to both sides of the equation. Now this is the equation. We added this and we added this. There. I want to believe you are following. Please like, comment, share, and follow me for more tips. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to simplify the right hand side. Now, minus 3 squared will give us 9, and minus 4 squared will give us 16. We solve it like a fraction. The LCM is 16. 2 into 16 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 16 into 16 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 40 plus 9 is 49 over 16. So this is the answer to the right hand side, which we are going to equate here. The equation remains the same, but the right hand side has been evaluated. Now what is the next step to do? Is to reduce the power of x squared to 1, throw away this center term, and pick this 1 in the bracket here with its square, which you now have. You have reduced it to 1. You are picking 3 over 4 and square, equating this 49 over 16. What do you do here now? You have to remove the square by squaring both sides. If we square both sides, the square here will disappear, and this is what you will get at the right hand side. At this point now, you make x the subject of the equation. Now, minus 3 over 4, crossing over the equality sign, like I said the other time, the sign will change. You now have 3 over 4. You introduce plus or minus, then square root of 49 over 16. Recall that this square root of 49 over 16 is the same thing as square root of 49 over square root of 16, which you know that both of them are perfect square. This will give you 7 and this will give you 4. Now, that is exactly how we got this 7 over 4. Square root of 49 is 7, square root of 4 is 4. Now you discover that their denominators are the same. At this point, you know you are getting it all correct. Because whenever you get at this point and it is not the same, the denominator, then you are wrong. You have to retrace your step backward. Then this plus or minus, you are going to split it. This means 3 plus or minus 7 all over 4, because I've picked the LCM. So splitting it now give you 3 plus 7 over 4 or 3 minus 7 over 4. When you add and divide, you will have 2.5. When you subtract and divide, you have minus 1 as the final answer. Thank you. God bless you. Like, comment, share, and follow.